Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope you all are fine and in a good health. This is the second lecture of the chapter The Wise Caliph. You all had been instructed to watch the first video lecture of this lesson. I presume that you all have watched the complete video lecture. Our today's topic is The Wise Caliph, and this is the second lecture on this topic. Before we proceed any further, let's have a recap of the previous lecture. The Qazi brought before the Caliph Harun al-Rashid a case which he admitted he could not settle and requested the Caliph to settle the dispute by utilizing his wisdom. It was a dispute between a rich man and a beggar over the ownership of a beautiful white horse. Both the rich man and the beggar were accusing each other of attempting to rob the beautiful horse. The beggar tried to justify the possession of the beautiful white horse. He said that he spent whatever he had on that horse. Now, in the fourth last paragraph of this chapter, the Caliph asked the Qazi to ask both the men to touch the horse one by one. Now, why did the Caliph ask that? It is because he wanted to observe the body language of the animal. Like we humans, animals also convey their message through their body language. In the third last paragraph, the beggar touched the horse first. As a reaction, the horse winced. Winced means movement of body out of pain or distress. In other words, you can say the expression of displeasure or unhappiness. However, when the rich man touched the horse, it snorted and neighed with pleasure. Here, snorted means a sudden explosive sound through the nose, which is made by a horse in excitement. Neighed means a characteristic high-pitched sound made by a horse. The Caliph recognized the real owner of the horse by the reaction of the horse to the touch of the rich man and the beggar. He declared the rich man to be the real owner of the horse and told the beggar that he was a liar who tried to rob a respectable citizen and he deserved severe punishment. He further said that he would be merciful and forgive him if the beggar begged forgiveness from the rich man. The rich man readily forgave the beggar. Now we can draw this conclusion from this chapter. In order to be a just ruler, one needs to have wisdom as well. You need to be intelligent enough to distinguish between right and wrong. Secondly, people with big hearts are forgiving by nature. Like the rich man forgave the beggar despite of the fact that he tried to rob him. Now here is exercise number 1, words to know. You have been given some words and you know very well what you need to do. You are required to write their meanings and then use those words to make sentences of your own. You can also refer to dictionary, and it will be better if you guess the meaning by going through the context. This is exercise number 2, inferential questions. Question number 1, why did the Caliph use to disguise himself as a common man? Question number 2, why did the rich man forgive the beggar? This is your homework. Complete exercises 1 and 2 in your copies. Read the chapter Professions. I hope you will find this video helpful. Inshallah, in the next class, we will start a new chapter, Professions. Until then, it is Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.